In this video, I will show you how to remove people from a channel in Slack. So let's get started with the process. Once you're inside the Slack dashboard, you'll see your channels listed on the left side of the screen. We need to open and select the channel where the person has already been added. Next, we need to first right-click on the channel name. From the list that appears, select Channel Details, and then click on View Channel Details, and a pop-up window will open. Inside that window, click on the Members tab. Here, you will be able to see all the people who are currently added to that channel. Now, if you want to remove someone, simply find that person's name in the list. Next to their name, you will see the Remove option. Just click on it. And that's it. The person will be removed from the channel. This is how you can quickly and easily remove someone from a Slack channel. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.